Hey guys! Welcome back to the channel. Pa-follow up ko lang yung EcoFlow. This time, ito naman yung gaming test natin. We'll see kung gaano talaga kakunat yung power station na to, which is the EcoFlow Delta 3 Air 2000. So here is our power station. Naka 100% siya and naka-connect pa siya sa outlet. Hindi siya nag-overcharge. Tatanggalin natin to in a while. And as you can see, nakakabit yung electric fans and dalawang monitors. Ito yung electric fan. Pinalamig ko lang yung room. So, papatayin ko din yung aircon once we start playing. Ayan, nakita nyo, naka-on na yung workflow ko. Kasi, it's not about just games. And, naka-ready na yung games. But, I will be taking pictures and posting some of the cards for sale while I'm playing. Para hindi naman ako masobrahan sa gaming. Hindi sumakit masyado yung mata ko. And, this is my 2 monitors. Naka-on din yung dalawang monitor light, which is connected to the PC. And I'm not going to be using my speakers. Gagamitin ko is my wireless headset para mas madali akong makaikot. Okay? So yan kitang-kita nyo na yung setup ko. Ang si Patsy taking her nap. Okay, patayin ko na yung aircon. And turn on natin yung fan. So, talagang simulation pag nag-brown out, guys. So, guys, tatanggalin ko na yung saksakan. And as you can see, hindi mamamatay itong monitors ko, yung PC ko. See? And the game is on already. Time check, 7:52 a.m. And today is June 26. So, let's start playing. So, guys, real simulation, nag-brown out na kunwari. And ito na lang naka-on. Also, yung electric fan. So, yun nga, yung simulation natin, di ba? Kanina ang dilim. Tapos, binuksan ko na yung blinds. So, habang nag-aantay tayo mag-start yung game, pakita ko na sa inyo yung app. Sorry, may konting glare. 7:58 a.m. And, focus ko lang. Yan. 98%. Also, pala yung settings natin for Valorant right now is nasa mga low to medium settings. Nasa material quality, medium, texture quality, high. Iniba-iba ko talaga yung settings ko just kung anong nababagay do sa video card ng PC ko. Also, before ko makalimutan, yung fan ko is nasa number 1 lang siya. Okay? Kasi malakas naman yung fan kahit nasa number 1 lang. Bale, kakatapos lang ng isang game and it's 8:28 a.m. So, nasa mga 30 minutes, more or less. Nasa 30 minutes na tayo naglalaro. And buti na lang nanalo. Tingnan natin sa app kung ano na tayo. 96%, 91. Ayan, nag-update na siya. 91%. Kita ba? 91. Sorry, may glare I'm going to keep playing games. Pero, I'm going to have like 5-minute breaks. Time check, 10:26 a.m. And nakailang games na ako? 3 games. Naka 3 games. So, 2 wins, 1 loss, 1 loss yung may AFK. Nakapag-post na ako ng mga 15 cards. Mga doubles naman, mga multiples ng isang card. One Piece cards. By the way, dun sa mga interested, bumili ng mga cards, you can go to my shops. Lalagay ko lang yung links dito sa description. So, hindi lang siya NBA. Meron din baseball, meron din Pokemon, meron din One Piece. So, I'm starting to post more different types of cards. Alright, tingnan natin. Mag-update lang siya. Output right now, 188. And we have 64%. Fourth game. By the way, after this game, magla-lunch lang kami. And mahigit 3 hours and 30 minutes na tayo na naka-on, na nag-gaming. Okay, just got back from lunch. Time check, 11:58 a.m. So, nawala ako ng mga almost 1 hour. Okay, we are at 43%. 4 hours na natin ginagamit yung EcoFlow. Valorant is not as demanding as the other games. Meron akong mga other games here na sobrang demanding sa graphics. Try natin yun next time. But for now, Valorant na lang muna. So this is competitive first-person shooter gaming. So this is the 5th game. Okay, nakakapag-post pa ako ng cards kahit papano and nakakapag-prepare ng orders 2 sa Shopee. Okay, just finished our 7th game. Pagod ako. Pagod ako sa gaming. Time check. 2:15 p.m. So, ilang hours na natin ginagamit yung EcoFlow natin? More than 6 hours ko na ginagamit itong EcoFlow. Siguro yung lunch, 1 hour. So, more or less, nagigaming ng almost 5. Kasi may mga downtime din na ginagawa eh. Guys, 11%. At tapos yung battery time remaining is 45 minutes. So, I'm going to stop the test here kasi bumaba na siya ng 20%. Tapos nasa mga 200 pa rin yung output niya. Para safe, although more than 6 hours siya, sabihin na lang natin safe na kayo magva-Valorant, magi-games na katulad ng Valorant for 6 hours. It's pretty good. Lalo na dun sa mga streamers, na game streamers, if this is your main source of income, I highly suggest kumuha kayo ng katulad nitong Delta 3 Air 2000. If okay na sa inyo yung around 6 hours for Valorant but I think for the more demanding games, hindi aabot ng 6 hours. But still, this is pretty good. Considering, even nung nag-lunch kami, hindi ko pinatay yung electric fan, hindi ko pinatay yung PC. It's still on. Wow, it's pretty good. It's pretty good. Okay? Hindi ko nga in-expect na tatagal ng ganun katagal. So this concludes my gaming test for the EcoFlow. Pwede pa akong gumawa ng isa pang test for the more demanding games. So, lalagay ko rin yung product links dito sa video so you can check it out if you are interested. You will also help the channel out if you buy it from here. So that's it for this video. I hope to see you again on the next one and thanks for watching.